I never thought you'd sink so low. You traitor!
Al, I'm not! I didn't betray you! I only almost did!
Another alibi.
The antidote! Give me the antidote!
I'm sorry. You see, our Ifrit's escaped. No Ifrit, no antidote.
Thank you for bringing us the genie, though.
You!
Iago, quick! I've got the antidote. Take it! Iago!
The perfect souvenir of my greatest triumph.
He's gone. Stone?
And now, with your genie out of the way, taking Agrabah will be easy as... round with slices there. Very easy!
Okay, fine. Go ahead and laugh, you big dumb hyena. Because once I get my hands on you...
But you can't. You're stuck in a cage, and you don't have a genie.
Oh, yes, he does! For the record, Al, the bird didn't betray you. He only almost did.
All right, Iago.
Not so fast. Drop him, or I smash the bird.
Darn.
Excellent idea. Drop him, or I smash the bird.
Not so fast. One false move, and I blow the horn of unpleasantness. The undead become mine to command, and you'll be torn limb from limb by their bony fingers.
Oh, what?
Impressive, huh?
Wow. Where'd you get that? Let me see.
I picked it up at the Unpleasant Boutique. Quite a bargain.
Sir, don't! It's a trick!
Here, let go my Iago.